Here's my SCOBY jar. Sugar, it's organic cane sugar. Green tea. First step to making any beverage is to make a separate, different beverage. We have a jar, let me put more ice. I got leftover Vietnamese coffee, so we're gonna dilute it. Oh, coconut. Cheers, pinky out. I have a little over 1 cup reserved kombucha. Let me get my giant jar. That's not very satisfying. First step, make the tea. Like 9 tea bags. How many was that? Was you counting? Fake. That wasn't as satisfying as I thought it would be. Do 2 cups of hot boil, yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands and get while this is brewing, I'm gonna do like 8 cups of water. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll do like 7 cups in there and then a cup of like ice, and that'll cool that off so I don't have to wait for it to cool off like on its own. Like that'll speed the process up. You better be counting because when I lose count, I'm gonna ask you. So don't do me dirty. That's 1. Number is this 6? 6. Girl, that was a number. All right, we got our ice. Our tea is brewing. We have our sugar to make it sweet tea and feed the fermentation or whatever. How long has this tea been brewing? I can do this with my bare hands because my dad is from an island, but like the rest of y'all might have to wait for it to cool. I'm not from an island though, so I gotta. What that looks like. I don't know, it's tea. Like I don't need to. Y'all know what tea look like. We'll throw some ice in there just to cool her off so she don't kill the SCOBY, which is alive. She's alive. It doesn't have to be cold, it just has to be like room temperature. Go ahead and carefully in here. Ooh! Finally. Ooh! And then I cover her up. This is a coffee filter, and I use a scrunchie. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Eventually, I will come back with the flavoring process, and then from there, we'll do a taste test. This is my booch. Should I name the SCOBY? No, that's weird. Is it? I don't know. Millennial peace sign. Mwah. Bye.